Hello, I'm Jennifer Castoldi from Trendease International, and we're at Heimtextil on the Trevira CS booth, where they have their long stay apartment. Here you've got a work area, and it's in line with the trends of what we see going on in terms of living. So you have more and more people that are spending time in long stay apartments and Airbnbs due to changing lifestyle as well as housing deficits in major cities and the change of basic work-life balance models. You've got the kitchen in here and a bedroom for the short stay apartment. And they also had a number of their clients submit fabrics, flame retardant fabrics that are using the Trevira CS yarns. They're divided into the different quarters from sleeping, kitchen, living, and office. As well as all of these different fabric samples, the team at Trevira has also come up with a number of trends. And their main themes are we are all nature lovers, my new jewels, letting myself fall, I can see clearly now, and going to explore. Also within the samples, you can find the 15 winners of the Fabric Creativity Competition. So if you're still here at Messe Frankfurt, come on over to Hall 4.1 and you can check it out for yourself.